The orchard fortress. Walnut production requires a calculated synchronization of seismic energy and precision timing.
Juglans regia. The fruit is protected by a fibrous green hull, concealing the high-value hardwood shell inside.
The Seismic Gripper. A 15-ton industrial predator equipped with a high-frequency hydraulic vibrator. A grip of power. These pads are designed to transfer 50 Hz of vibration without damaging the tree's vascular system. Secure lock. Hydraulic pressure reaches 3,000 psi to ensure zero slip during the seismic event. Resonance initiation. Transforming fluid power into targeted kinetic energy. The seismic event. High-frequency pulses travel from the trunk to the smallest capillaries of the branches. Gravimetric release. The vibration overrides the biological attachment, initiating a total harvest in 5 seconds. The impact zone. A rain of green gold covering the field. Preliminary hull failure. The harvest begins its transformation the moment it meets the ground. The bounty. From vertical growth to horizontal collection. The sweeper. Using centrifugal force to organize the harvest into tight windrows. Aerodynamic purification. Removing low-density debris before the primary collection. Mechanical agility. Gathering the harvest with zero bruising. Vertical transit. Moving the harvest from the soil to the logistics chain. Harvest motion. Engineering the flow of nature. Bulk transfer. Minimizing downtime through rapid discharge hydraulics. The hulling phase. Removing the bitter green outer skin to reveal the shell. High pressure cleansing. Stripping the biomass using water and friction. Byproduct management. Hulls are processed into organic fertilizer or industrial abrasives. Surface stabilization. Only the clean shell product proceeds to the drying stage. Thermal curing. Reducing moisture from 25% to 8% to prevent rancidity. Precise dehydration. Maintaining the integrity of the omega-3 rich oils inside. Harvest motion. Master of the thermal cycle. Optical intelligence. Scanning every shell for micro-fissures and color deviations. Selective rejection. Maintaining a 99.9% purity standard. The shelling operation. Breaking the fortress to reach the butterfly heart. Maximum yield. Engineering the perfect crack. Harvest motion. Redefining precision.
Market categorization. Tailoring the harvest to global culinary needs.
Preservation science. Ensuring a 12-month shelf life for global export. Fleet domination. Scaling the seismic power for massive output. Digital command. Precise control over the frequency and duration of the shake. Thermal resilience. Managing the energy of 300 horses. Immersion. The raw power of the seismic harvest. Sustainable cleaning. recirculating water to minimize environmental footprint. Logistics in motion, moving the harvest to the world. Harvest motion, moving with the tide of production. Perpetual maintenance, ensuring zero friction in the seismic core.
Value-added extraction. Nothing is wasted in the one flow.
Liquid essence, the final byproduct of the seismic strike.
The gold standard. Color is the primary driver of value.
Autonomous logistics, the final stage of the factory one flow. Harvest motion, overseeing the bounty.
Transformation, from whole kernel to creamy paste. The silence after the storm. The seismic cycle is complete.
The heart of the beast. System fluidity. High-velocity stripping.
Certified safety, ensuring the harvest is as healthy as it is high yield.
Digital traceability, from the tree to the table. Biological richness. Harvest motion. Global reach. The trigger of the shake.
Deep resonance. The machine talks to the earth.
The knockout pulse, ensuring 100% detachment. Sustainable waste. Even the shell has industrial value. Shielding the flavor. "24/7 operations. Time is the enemy of quality.
Harvest motion. Safety in production.
Unit standardization. Environmental stewardship. The moment of release. The beast retires. Statistical dominance.
The future cycle.
The industrial nexus. Harvest motion. Purity in processing. Traction. Mastering the orchard floor. Precision maintenance. Dynamic handling. The final seal. The ultimate culinary asset. Harvest motion. Consumer trust. The physics of the shake. Feeding the world. The aura of the harvest. Validated excellence. The butterfly of the orchard. Mission complete. The seismic strike was a success. The walnut harvest. The seismic gripper. Only on Harvest Motion.